What is SMPS? Switch Mode Power Supply. An introduction to switched mode power supply technology and its importance in modern electronics. Traditional linear power supplies are bulky and inefficient, often wasting energy as heat. What is SMPS? SMPS converts AC to DC using high-frequency switching, providing efficient power conversion in a compact design. Types of SMPS include AC-DC SMPS, DC-DC converters, flyback, forward, and buck converters. Examples are computer SMPS units and phone chargers. Real-life example. Inside a PC cabinet, the SMPS powers the system. It's also used in TVs, routers, and many other electronics. Summary. SMPS is an efficient, compact power supply technology found in computers, TVs, routers, and many electronics, valued for its high efficiency and minimal heat. Like, share, and subscribe for more tech videos.